right. January 17th, 2024. Trading journal for today. Once again, I'm doing the trade to pull challenge, and another down day today. So I think I'm just having an issue staying out of trades while the market is so slow. There was junk, not much to trade today, and essentially I just jumped in one trade too many. Really, I did a better job than yesterday, so I mean that's improvement. But what I really need to start doing is just building that discipline to stay out of just bad stocks altogether. So I think the first trade I took today was DWAC. This is a stock that I'm not really comfortable trading, but I did anyways, just because it was the only thing really moving. I had a big move yesterday. I really didn't think it'd have another big move today, but I saw a setup and I took it. So yeah. Now this pattern right here, I continue to see, but I just never take advantage of it. I'm too afraid to really take a trade this early on these low price stocks. So I just, even though it looks good, it's the type of bounce I would normally take. It's the first 30 minutes of the day, so I just try to stay away from that. But I've been really tempted, so if I see something like this again, I might just take it, because I just continuously see this pattern working out, and hate that I keep missing out on it, but maybe I develop a strategy around it. But yeah, this trade just traded. The stock traded like crap. I hate these type of moves, or these type of candles. But I I saw this early on. This was bouncing off the 9 EMA and the VWAP, and I considered getting in here, but I didn't like the price action, so I passed. I didn't. It's more so than the price action. I didn't trust the stock, so I passed. But I saw even a better pattern over here. This is more my type of pattern. And so I decided to take a chance because of the move it's made here and here. So I thought it had one more move in it, given the time of the day, and it did. I bought at around 26.30 or 26 something, 26.50 actually, I think it was. And then we got this kind of made me a little nervous because this candle did reach the high. My fear was that the stock will reach previous high and then just drop, and I figured that's what it did. And then I would be stopped out, but it continued to ride the 9, and I originally had my target at 28.80 something, and I decided, hey, I'll pass. Well, I'll be a little bit more conservative, and I'll just put it at 28.70 or 28.75 actually. So I brought it down just a little bit, my target, and you know what, I brought my target down to 27.75, and the freaking stock you know, makes me sit through all of this nonsense, giving me a little bit of anxiety. Runs up. I'm thinking, okay, we're so close. I'm gonna have a winning trade today. I'll be green for my challenge, but it just did not have that 5 more cent run in it, and it just drops. Now at this point, I knew if it doesn't hit my target, the momentum for the stock might be over. So I moved my stop loss up from here, somewhere in here, 25.60, 25.50, and moved it to basically break even. Just for the simple fact that the the trend was over, and I didn't want to take a loss on it. So I missed my opportunity to take profit. Had I had my target set at 28.70, it may have been $170 winner or something like that. Small gain, but I could have really used that, especially psychologically, because I need to see green today. All right, I just needed to see some green. But that was DWAC. The other stock I traded was, let me see, what was it? Oh yeah, so the other stock I traded was MIMO. Yeah, so this stock, once again, crappy trading stock. Yeah, this trash. But you know what? Again, there's just not much momentum today. I should have just stayed out of this one unless I can get a really good feel. Yeah. See, this is the type of bounce I like, but I saw this, but I just, once again, I didn't really trust it, so I stayed out of it. And then I saw this here. That's when I decided I'll go ahead and give it a shot. I thought it was going to stay above this previous high level over here and continue to ride up to at least the previous high, 424. I got in, and then I put a stop in. I don't know what happened, but it stopped me out for a loss, unfortunately. So I think I just didn't properly execute my order, my stop loss order. So I lost money on that, and then I just decided to re-enter one at that point. I just should have just gave up on it. That was a sign to just stay away from it. But it was a small loss. It was a small loss. I'm trying to pull it up here. Orders. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I can't find it, but I decided to get back in here and get in at even a higher price, maybe 2 cents higher. So, given that I'm only expecting what I don't know, expecting it to go from, I think I originally got in at 37 cents, and I was expecting it to go to at least 42, possibly 45. The fact that I got in at 2 cents higher is a big deal for a stock like this, and I just marketed in because I got impatient. But yeah, this is, I gotta learn to stay away from these type of stocks, or this type of, not even a type of stock really. It's just a type of price action. This price action is much more my speed than this one, so I gotta make a mental note, stay away from this type of price action. But yeah, I ended up getting stopped out. So I got stopped out twice on this. Yeah, actually, as I can see, it's $100 both times. So for my small account, that's a pretty good size. So I basically lost a few $100 plus fees today, which is not good given how I only have a $900 max drawdown. Where's that at? Yeah, so pretty much don't have much room. I'm pretty much just gonna have to take A plus setups until I can at least get to break even. So I do have some appointments tomorrow, so I gotta be careful not to trade when I don't have the right amount of attention to vet certain stocks and charts. So it's not looking good so far for the challenge. Luckily, if I do lose and I reach my max drawdown, it is only $100 to do this particular challenge again. But yeah, dang, almost at 40%. Not good, not good, not good. So yeah, I do definitely got to make sure tomorrow or Friday I bank in some money there, and I just got to be faster on the trigger. I told myself when I do this challenge, if I'm gonna be trading these type of stocks, I need to be faster taking profit. And here was a good opportunity to take profit, and I just missed out. Yeah, so I'm battling two different schools of thoughts in terms of my trading background and disciplines and knowledge, because I want to be long term, but I also like longer term, but trading faster moving stocks and more volatile stocks right now. So I got to kind of change that and figure out how I can just balance both. Know when to be fast and know when to let my winner run. That's been a struggle. Those are the two main things: taking profits and quicker, and also I need to just be more patient. So we'll see how things go tomorrow. That is it for my trading journal.